Others. This is the young man Jeff reviewed. And I made a new machine for episode. Now this machine runs on my mini flower creations. Now how this works is in each mini flower there are 2 Mobius fuel stacks and 1 Hater Nalus fuel to the right. Now you might be wondering, why do I need a Nalus fuel? Because it just comes into that anyways. Well, when it gets done, it's told to put the Aeternalis fuel in the chest. So, then, a stone engine, when it's turned on, will pump, and when it has coal in it, it will pump the windpipe, and it'll come up to the iron pipes, and it'll go through. Then it'll come over here to the main pipe, and then it'll go whizzing through, and then it'll go through distribution pipes. You might be thinking, what are distribution pipes? Distribution pipes, sorry, I got a little tongue twisted there. They basically give equal amounts to whatever you set it to. Now, we have to have a large amount set on blue because, we have to get more to this side also. Then, when the Aeternalis fuel comes here, it makes collectors. Now the collectors are pumped by redstone powered engines. It'll pump into the iron pipes, which go through cobblestone pipes, as you see, because it might affect the stone pipes, and we can't have that. It will go through here. And it'll go through here, and it'll make red matter furnace. Now, 1 red matter furnace is equivalent to about 3 million EMC. Now, I have about 5 stacks full, so if you do the math, that's like 1 billion some odd EMC I've got there, and that's enough to get you a lot. That is a crap load, that is in-game, to be honest. Now, I want to show you guys, I leveled up. So now I'm Professor, and I've got a star by my name. Now if I get 4 stars, it allows me to make or be a possibility of mod. Now, I just gotta get 3 more. Now that's not bad. I can probably do that, but I don't know. So, it's been about 3 minutes and 10 seconds, and I've explained everything except the alloy. Now, this is the turn-off switch. When I flip the switch, it'll power the steam engines that, power the windpipes that pump out the fuel. Now, since it's pumped out the fuel, it'll come through the pipes here. It's showing a couple. I should probably turn that on. It's not every single second. That's the best thing. That's why it doesn't lag. Now, here, I'll show you. It comes through the pipes. Each one comes this way, and it gets sped up by the golden tubes. Now come through this way, and zoom it goes right to the distribution pipes, which are currently now making the collectors. Now, when this happens, I had a bonsai to count, or he just counted himself, that how many was going through to make red matter a second. And there's bonsai, and he counted about 9 or 10 a second, so that's not bad. So this is great, and this is a profitable machine. I'm pretty much in-game now, and I've got, all the in-game armor. Oh, thank you, fly. So here's more Aethernalis fuel coming through. It's being pumped, and after it's pumped, it will, like I said. Now, I did have some helpers with this. I made everything except the pipe design. Well, I had the pipe design that made this way, but I made everything in the pipes except the distribution pipes. I had to have my friend Vamp Lord 24 came in and helped me build this machine because it takes a long time. It takes 2 hours to make this machine, and I made it 3 times yesterday, so 6 hours of work went into this machine. So now we've got a bunch of Aethernalis fuel coming through. I'm going to switch off this switch, and I'm going to mention a couple more people. I would like to thank Blazer99. He helped a lot. He made the machine a 3rd time with me. And a shout out to Infected Dave. Excuse me. Infected Dave. That he helped. Well, he didn't really help, but I just want to give a shout out to him. He helped out a little bit. Now, I want to say thank you to Tim Pixel. He's the owner of the server, and Peekaboo, or whatever the heck you say. Matter K3 code. Anyways, this is probably where I'm gonna stop it at. Thank you guys for being here. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna edit this up to probably 720p so you can watch it in HD. Thank you guys for watching. Bye, guys.